Today we are going to show you how to raise and lower the trifold door on your Seawind. First, you need to open and bungee the two outboard doors. Then unlock the barrel bolts and attach the lifting bracket to the door. Next, you need to close the clutch and wrap the door raising line around the winch. You can now slowly raise the door, but make sure the entire area stays clear of people and pets. Once the door is raised, slide the safety bar over the door and then loosen the line so the door rests on the safety bar. Make sure the clutch is fully closed before freeing up the winch. And now you can enjoy your wide open space. Now to lower, you are just going to do everything in reverse. First, confirm the clutch is closed, wrap the door raising line around the winch, and confirm the lifting bracket is properly secured to the door. Next, release the safety bar and make sure to keep the area clear of all people and pets. Open the clutch and slowly lower the door. Once the door is down, detach the lifting bracket and lock the barrel bolts. Next, reattach the lifting bracket to the roof and tighten the door raising line. Finally, undo the bungees and close the door. A few warnings to note. When in the open position, the trifold door must be fastened using both the clutch and the safety bar. And the trifold door must only be fully opened in conditions with wind less than 21 knots and wave height below 2.5 meters. Above that, all trifold doors should remain closed.